The Crisis Number 1 by Thomas Paine is a persuasive essay during the American Revolution, urging colonists to fight for independence from Britain. Paine criticizes loyalists, calling them summer soldiers and sunshine patriots, and urges steadfastness against tyranny. He calls for unity and resilience, boosting morale and enforcing the importance of the fight for independence. Reading Thomas Paine's The Crisis Number 1 impacted me with its call for action, perseverance, and true patriotism. Paine's emphasis on sacrifice and unity encourages me to reflect on my own approach to challenges. His combination of reason and emotion inspires me to stand up for what's right and highlights the importance of collective responsibility, bravery, and freedom. Thomas Paine's The Crisis Number 1 is all about resilience and the unity during hard times. His famous phrase, "These are the times that try men's souls," urge perseverance and sacrifice for freedom. It also highlights the importance of true patriotism and adversity, inspiring reflection on personal dedication to causes and collective responsibility.